In this video, I'll be showing you how I clean my iPhone, iPad and iPod, but for this video I'll be using my iPhone to demonstrate. Welcome everyone to Adam's Apple Tech Guide. I hope you find this video helpful and that you enjoy it. Firstly, you will need a cloth. So a cloth like this is a very good one to use. Also a cloth like this is also good to use, and a cloth like this is good to use as well. Now what you want to do is find a room with a tap in it, and what you want to do, you want to wet the corner of your cloth here. So what I want to do is turn on the tap very slowly, so a little dribble, and then wet the corner of your cloth, something like that, and that will do the job. If it's a bit too wet, you can always dry it off with a towel in your room, so it's a little bit more damp instead of wet. One thing I recommend doing is to turn off your phone completely. So with a phone with a home button, all you need to do is hold down the power button, or with a phone without a home button like this, you hold the volume up button and the power button together until this appears, and then all you've got to do is turn it off like that, and then it will turn off. So now when you clean it, you won't be distracted with your phone display turning on. If your phone has a case, take it off. Once you have got your case off your phone, I'd say start cleaning your case first so it can dry. So what you first want to do is get the wet corner of your cloth and clean your case like this, to get all the way around, to try and get all the dust and dirt out of it. Something like this. Then do the outside. You can always use a flash wipe to do this, but only thing with using a flash wipe, you want to dry it out before you use it, as it has chemicals in it that you don't want it to harm your phone or your case. So I'd say dry it out before you use a flash wipe, so it's a bit damp but not too wet. So once you're giving your phone a good clean with the damp bit of your cloth, use the other bit of your cloth that isn't damp, so you give it a good buff around, but try not to use the damp corner of your cloth when you're drying it like this. Once it's dry, you can start doing the phone. So now with your phone, you want the damp corner of your cloth again. It doesn't really matter where you start, but I would say start somewhere at the back, I prefer to do. So when cleaning the camera, you want to try your best to get all around, as this camera is quite complex to clean. So try and give it a good clean around the camera. Try and get all in the sides here. So have a good clean around your camera. Then you can start doing the back of your phone, then the sides, and then you do the screen. And try and get rid of all the fingerprints on the screen so it looks perfect. So then you can start to buff your phone down like this, but try and avoid the wet corner of your cloth. Or you have another cloth around, you can always use that if it makes it easier for you. Once your phone is all nice and clean, you can either use the cloth or your hands to put it in the case. I like to use the cloth to stop any fingerprints from getting in, but it can be quite hard to do it and a pain. This is the way I do it though, putting my phone in the case. I put the cameras in first and then I push down on the size bit here where it is out and push down till it clicks, then your case is on your phone. So when powering on your phone, all you need to use is the power button. This is the same for all screen phone and a home button phone. Just use the power button. Then until the Apple logo appears, you can let go of the power button. Then your phone will power on and be ready to use. Hopefully now you have a nice clean phone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and that you enjoyed it. Please give it a like and a subscribe. And if you've got any questions or video ideas, please let me know in the comments below. I'll try my best to answer them and make it happen.